Though LED lights typically last much longer than traditional incandescent bulbs, you'll still occasionally find a dark stretch on the strand. Check your lights before you put them on the tree to save yourself a big headache. And if you see some dark LEDs, never fear, we have plenty of solutions for you. Here's how to replace a bad bulb on a string of LED lights. The process is simple if you have the right tool. In this case, that's the LED keeper, a multifunctional tool that makes this job extremely simple. But even if you don't have an LED keeper, replacing an LED bulb is still really simple. First, determine which section of the LED string is out by plugging it into an outlet. If the whole strand doesn't work, you're probably looking at an outlet or fuse issue. To check the fuse, open up the fuse compartment on the male end of the strand. If the fuses are burnt, gently remove the two and replace. Slide the compartment closed after completion. Now, if there's only one section of lights out, you've found the problem area. Use clips to mark that section of the string where the lights are out. Then, unplug the string from the outlet and plug it into the LED keeper. And now it's time to find the defective bulb. Pick a bulb in the middle of the non-working section of lights. Pull the bulb away from the string a bit so you can easily access the wires going into and out of the bulb. Place the wire in the black hook at the tip of the LED keeper. You may want to flip the LED keeper to get a better look at how the wire fits into the hook. Pull the trigger. This will illuminate the functional section of the string. If no bulbs light up when the trigger is pulled, move to another location on the wire about ½ an inch away for a new attempt. Use a clip marker at the end of the section so you can be clear about which section you've tested. Remember, the lights will only illuminate when you're running a test. Once you find a bulb that does not illuminate during a test when neighboring bulbs to the right and to the left of it do, you've found your culprit. Look at that! If your light string has replaceable bulbs, remove the bulb using the LED keeper's bulb puller. Test the bulb using the bulb tester on the LED keeper. If the bulb doesn't illuminate in the tester, replace the bulb with a new one. That's really simple. If you don't have replacement bulbs on hand, you can use the replacement pods that often come with tools like the LED keeper. To do that, you cut the wires near the base of the faulty bulb or socket. Twist off the top and open the pod, then place both open-ended wires into the metal slots. The wires should not touch each other. Squeeze the pod closed and replace the twist cap to seal it. Voila! No more bad bulbs. Now, let's replace an LED bulb without an LED keeper. Determine the non-working section of your light string by plugging it into an outlet. Mark off the non-working area of the string and note a working socket. You'll be using this socket to test the bulbs of the non-working section. Remove the working bulb from its socket. Remove each bulb from the non-working section of the string and replace one after another in the working socket. Find the bulb that does not light up in the working socket this way and replace it with a new bulb. There you have it. It's simple, if not a little tricky, to keep your light shining all season long. Merry Christmas!